Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did these spooky Pennywise nails. So first I removed the color of my old set, and then here's the palette I'm working off of. I kind of have a mix of a light red into a darker red. And so for those colors I use Madame Glam's Amour, which is the brighter red, and then I did mix it with Madame Glam's Chest to Chest, which is a sparkly red, because I did want to give the red a little bit of a shimmer. So I'm starting off with the blood drip nails, and I did a blood drip set last year, I believe. I will link that video down below if you want to see that one. It's just a full set of it, and I use the same kind of concept, I just changed it up a little bit. But I start with that brighter red and I create the blood drips going down the nails, and I do this on my pinky and my pointer finger as well as my thumb. And I do flash cure each nail before moving on to the next. And to get the best effect of this blood drip nail, you do want to do it on a clear base. So I had to make sure that all of the old color was completely removed, it was fully solid. Normally I would do a freshly set for the blood drip nails, but because I was already kind of changing these Halloween nails out, I just left it and just made sure to get all the color off. And now that the base of the blood drip nails is done, we go on to use Madame Glam's Perfect White, and I do a coat of this on the ring finger as well as the middle finger. Then here I'm going back in on the blood drip nails and I'm adding that dark red, just creating some depth along the edges and then down the drips as well. And then in the middle I kind of use the middle shade of the red and really blend it all together.
Perfect.
Okay, now the blood drip nails are done, and then we have the background color done on the two middle nails. So I'm going to go in with the design. We'll be using Madame Glam's Perfect Black. And on my middle finger, I use a sponge dipped in that Perfect Black and just use a little bit, and I start kind of grunging out the edges, and I go all around and try to make the outer edges the darkest and then kind of bring some of it in towards the middle. And before I flash cure this in place, I do go in with a brush dipped in acetone and clean up the edges around my nail that got on the skin. You want to make sure this is off before you cure it, otherwise you're going to cure it onto the skin. And here I'm going in, I just turned my nail sideways so that way I could really see it, and I draw in black the word loser. I start with the center letter, and then I kind of work my way out and then work my way the other way. And here I'm going back in with Madame Glam's Amour, which is that red shade, and I'm drawing a red V over the S to turn it into lover. And now I have never seen the It movies, so I'm not sure what the importance of this word is, but anytime like I see something about this movie, I always see this kind of graffiti looking word. So now we're going to move on and draw Pennywise, the clown, on my ring finger. So I'm going in first and I'm drawing the eye. Really get that creepy eye shape with the eyebrow and some depth underneath as well. And then once I have the eye done how I like it, I flash cure that. And here I'm going in with the red, and I'm trying to create that red smile. And as you can see, this first attempt of it was not happening. It was not working out the way I wanted it to. So luckily I had already cured the eye, so I was able to go in and with alcohol just wipe off the red and kind of start over, and I tried it again and it came out better the second time.
Perfect.
So here I am trying to do the red smile the second time, adding the mouth in. And then on the mouth I go in with black and I create some little buck teeth. I've seen different versions of his smile and I just thought the teeth would be the creepiest. So I drawn some little buck teeth and then fill in the mouth with black and add some nose detailing as well as kind of where the other eye would start. And then going in with Madame Glam's Mimosa, which is a yellow, I added a hint of black just to grunge up the yellow, and I do this color for his eye as well as for his teeth. Then I go in, add some red to his nose, and I'm just going back in and also adding some more black detailing, kind of darkening some bits up a little bit. And then here is where I thought I got the face pretty close to how I wanted it, but I wanted to go in and add some shading. So I decided to use the sponge technique for the shading, so that way it kind of matches the rest of the nails as well. And I go in and just really grunge up the nail, adding definitely a lot on the outside, but adding some under his eye and kind of in the middle, and just really trying to grunge it and shade it and just make it look dark and grungy and gross and creepy. I feel like for Halloween nails, if you're wanting something to look really creepy, the grungier the better. And you can really tell as I'm adding more and more of the shading and sponging it on, the better it's looking because the grungier he looks. And so here is what the nails are looking like, and now we're going to do top coat. So I'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny on top of the blood drip nails, and then I do go underneath and I add a layer underneath the nail of the blood drip just to really make sure that it shines and is clear all the way through. And now going in with the Light Elegance's flat matte top coat, I'm going to use this on the two middle nails because I felt like the matte look would really bring out all of those details. And so here is how my It inspired nails came out. I think they came out super cute. I like how I incorporated like the blood drip nails as the accent and then had a lot of details on the middle two nails. His face didn't come out exactly how I would have wanted it, but I think overall for my first time really trying to do kind of more of a detailed face like this, it came out pretty good. And then on my other hand, you can see that I did like the It logo as well as the kid holding the balloon, and those nails are very grunged out too, so the whole design really goes together with the pops of red and yellow, and of course you have the grungy black and white. But I thought this set would be the perfect way to end the month of October and all my Halloween designs. This is the week of Halloween, so I wanted it to be the spookiest nail design for the month. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of my Halloween tutorials. If you have not checked them out, I will leave a link to my Halloween playlist down below. Make sure to subscribe. We'll do some more fall nail tutorials in November, and then December we're hitting it up with the holiday nails already. So subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed the Halloween nails, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Perfect.